Hi, I'm Chris Allen from the Nelson Mandela Metropolitan University, Department of Construction Management. I'm a lecturer responsible for the Building Science, Environment and Services course, which is a course that we present to the architecture, quantity surveying and construction management students. About a month back we had Rhino group come and present to the students in a lecture. We are in the second year class here, and they've finished their first year, which is all to do with single level dwellings, and we do a bit of the electrical systems and plumbing, etc. So there's some practical aspects to new type of technology that we're using: black water systems, grey water systems, biodigesters. And then in second year we've started with the likes of passive design, which looks at the thermal properties of buildings and their performance, and we look at other aspects like ventilation, etc. Obviously the Aruba structure that we've got in this building is a very good example of an alternative building system that is going to hopefully increase the levels of insulation and therefore performance of the building fabric, and that's a big area of concern, especially with Eskom and power usage. So we have now the latest legislation, which is SANS 10400 XA, and soon we'll have SANS 204, which is even a more stringent design requirement. And all of these potential professionals that are going to go out and advise clients or design buildings in the future, they need to understand what's available and they need to see it in practice, because theory is theory, but when you actually see the real thing, it makes a lot more or has a lot more relevance to your subject matter. Yeah, I'm very impressed with the whole development. I'm impressed with this house. I think it takes I want to say big cojones to step out of the norm and actually put your money where your mouth is, and that's what they're doing on this project. So they're showing the rest of us how it can be done, and hopefully there will be a groundswell on the back of that, and more people will look to use alternative designs and alternative materials going forward, which ultimately is what we have to try and achieve in our building fabric. Yes, we'd just like to thank Rhino Group for allowing us to come to site. They've also sponsored a couple of prizes for our construction management students, so a big thank you for that too. And hopefully going forward we'll have a lasting relationship, including some research projects. So yeah, a big thumbs up, a big like for Rhino Group.